See him getting you?
Oh.
Go ahead.
Make him turn around. Ah! No, do you. Do you.
Don't you?
Do your hair. Spray your hair. Spray your hair, Andrew. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Go, go. He's got it figured out.
Don't you get it?
Pretend like he's not getting you, so he'll turn it around. Nope, that's not us. Turn it around and do it. You're not getting us. Oh, I love you. Don't spray us.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here.
Nope, you're not getting us. Turn it around. You're not getting us.
Come here. Show me what you're doing.
You're not spraying anybody. Turn it around. He sees it going around.
What are you doing?
No. No, 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 no. No. Mm-mm. Turn it around. Spray your hair, Andrew. Andrew, spray up here.
Hold it up high.
Up. Up above your head. Like this. Very good. Turn it around and spray your hair.
Do your hair. Do your hair.
No, be careful when he's walking through there because it's all wet on the ground, Joe.
Do it.
Do your hair. Do up on your head. Do your head, Andrew. Not the fridge, your head. I said not, no, I said not the fridge. No, not the cupboards, no!
The cabinets, come on.
That got a reaction.
Go get mommy.
No.
Go
No,
get mommy.
please no.
Go ahead. Go get mommy.
No. No. Get Daddy. Spray him. Spray Daddy. Look at those. No more hair.
No, don't. No.